So friends, welcome to the series of Kucoin Announcements. अगला जो अपडेट है दैट इज रिगार्डिंग द लिस्टिंग ऑफ द कॉइन दैट इज सोनोरस. इसका जो टिकर है दैट इज SNS एंड इसका जो नेम है कॉइन का दैट इज सोनोरस. इट इज नाउ लिस्टेड ऑन Kucoin exchange to trade upon, and you can see right now the price of this token is $0.064 and it is built on BNB smart chain. So technically it's token not a coin, and इसका सप्लाई लिमिटेड है which is equal to 1 billion number of coins. इसका जो मार्केट कैप है दैट इज इक्वल टू $1.58 million and it is available on Kucoin exchange, PancakeSwap, OpenOcean exchanges to trade upon. And you can also visit the official website of this token as well, as you can also check out the white paper of this token as well. So this is a decentralized music voting and rewards with TrendFi. So that is the main headline of this coin. You can check out this website in detail, as well as also you can see the white paper of this coin as well. यहाँ पे उनके पास है getting started, music voting mechanism, music notation, Sonorus revenue and tokenomics. So ये details available white paper के ऊपर, and also you can check out the website of this coin as well. Also उनके पास यहाँ पे है social media के handles on the right hand side of the website. So this is the official Telegram page. You can see they have 11.6 thousand members on their Telegram, and उनके पास Discord का page भी available है. So this is the token, and you can see the tokenomics and the price action on tradingview.com as well. So this token is now listed on Kucoin exchange. You can trade on this token right now. अभी देखेंगे इसका जो सप्लाई लिमिटेड है एंड इसका जो मार्केट कैप है दैट इज इक्वल टू $1.5 million एंड उसका जो वॉल्यूम आ रहा है दैट इज इक्वल टू $1.3 million. So as compared to market cap value, the trading volume is very huge. So that's why the token is very much volatile to trade upon. So right now you can trade this token on Kucoin exchange, and the official link of this article will be available in the description box.